Good morning, traders. Good evening, good afternoon, around the world. This is Phil V at Trading Capital Markets. Let's share the screen. It's currently 9:32 a.m. Share screen. All right. So we took these relative equal lows over here at the open. Boom. Swept right through it. And tapped this fair value gap over here. Let's zoom like that you guys could see. So in these streams, I'm more going to be a trade companion for you guys. Let you guys trade alongside with me. I won't be talking 24/7. And I will be explaining my logic of why I enter these trades, if ever I enter any. Like and subscribe. Turn the notification on, like that you guys are notified every time I go live. And if you guys want to learn more about learn more about the language that I use, like fair value gaps, order blocks, breaker blocks, I'm going to have the channel of my mentor in the description below. So right now we had a hard time for bodies to exit this this breaker, this bearish breaker from yesterday, the 5-minute bearish breaker. These two, hard time getting out, but I think today's going to be the day. Now it all depends, because we are currently stuck within this price leg right here, right, from this low to this high. So a break above, we're going to go get these two buy sides over here. Those two buy sides and there's possibly this one. But let's focus on these first two. We also have sell side down here, right here. All right. We might see some interest in this zone right here on this 1-minute breaker. Bullish breaker over here. If not, trade and close above the consequent encroachment of this BISI. Buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. So let's see, do we have anything? Interesting. There's the run. All right, first presented fair value gap over here. This is the first presented fair value gap. Getting cracked straight through. Bodies didn't close above the consequent encroachment of this 5-minute breaker, yesterday's 5-minute breaker before the 9:30 open. Probably gonna have to break over here on this candle, break this buy side. Last over here, buy side broken. Next buy side to be reached over here. Let's see if we could get back to this candle right here. Put a buy over here at this fair value gap. Right here. Okay, buy there. Target will be this high. But now if it closes over here, like this, I'll move this up. Okay, so this is going to be my buy zone. And this will be my stop loss, right below the consequent encroachment. Come on, come get me. That kind of sucks. It's straight up. That is an interesting open. It's basically a straight up past the 935 mark. Probably going to hit the buy side. So we have two consecutive fair value gaps over here. I think I'm going to put a buy right here at the beginning of the second one, right there, if it reaches there. Before reaching this buy side. A little inversion over here. Let's see if we get that. So close. If you guess, this will possibly even stretch it out until this fair value, this inversion fair value gap up top over here. But might just go straight through. Let's see. 5 seconds to this candle. Oh, so close. First position in. I'll put my second position over here. So second position at the low of this down candle. And we'll keep the same profit target up there. Buy side was taken. I'm just going to take this off. A lot of blue lines. Second position should be in about now. Almost. Almost got me in. Wow. Buy. It was right on it. If I was trading futures, it would have probably filled me. All right, filled. So yeah, the TP is going to be right here at this inversion fair value. Yep, on the 15. A lot of movement up here. Perfect. Good stuff. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. Let your body fly. Everybody jump in. Okay. Once it reaches above these, there you go. Above these highs, I'll bring it break even, or right below these lows. Break even and plus some. Break even and cover the commission. Sorry for all the sound. chair makes. We are moving to the grooving. So it's going to be a risk-free trade. A little push up, and we're flying. There you go. So I am going to secure half, trade, market, sell. Oh, wait a minute. I want to secure half above, but moved a little bit too slow. Let's see what we got. Floating near the highs like this. Possible expansion. Let's see. That's it. Keep on floating near the highs. Come on, little push up. In the last seconds of this candle. That's fine. I'm probably going to take off half now. Let's see what we get. Let's secure half over here. Secured half. That's perfect. We secured half over there, and totality over here at this inversion. Just put it a little bit lower over here, like right there. And I'm going to trail my actually, let's leave the stop loss there, because now we have equal lows over here that are resting. We just took this buy side liquidity, so we might make a run down. This is possible. That's why I took half above here, because there's these equal lows that are resting below. Now, let's see what we could do. Probably going to close the position if it comes back over here. Actually, let's see what it's got. Trailing my stop a little bit higher. If this closes green and above over here, I'm going to trail it right here out to this low. There you go. Trailing to that low. Just close this window. So I trade very cautious because the name of the game is preservation of capital. So you want to protect yourself as fast as you can without limiting your upside. Because now if this full candle comes back to this low, I mean, I'm not interested anymore in holding it because the probabilities of it coming closer to my entry point are higher. We will hit the take profit, I think. Good stuff. A little bit higher would be nice. Let's go. Keep on pushing. Right here. To that inversion that hasn't been delivered to. You can do it. Almost there. I'm going to trail over here if this closes above. Trail at the low of this candle right here. Off we go. trail these lows right there. Let's go. I'm going to trail right at this candle's low. Right here. So if it hits me, I'm out at plus 0.45%, which is amazing. Let's see, super close to our, let's put this just right below, right here. Super close to our take profit. I like what it did over here. Left a little gap. So this is going to be a nice stop loss if it hits. But should bounce from here. Yeah, exactly. Should bounce from here, come hit. And if it doesn't, well, we're still at plus 0.45%. Almost 0.5% today. Well, on two different positions is very good. There you go. We're out. Good job, everyone. Great trading for this morning's session. We might have missed the initial rally, but there was no clear opportunity to get in except for this first presented fair value gap if you thought it was going to be bullish. But even then, there was no confirmation, right? Price wasn't above these highs, and the candles haven't broken above these highs. So you would be foolish to be buying here. Now, that being said, this whole drive up had no down candles. Therefore, I was looking at this buy side to be taken and possibly a drive up to this inversion fair value gap a little bit further back in time. That's why I entered on the second consecutive fair value gap at the high of it and then trailed my stop up. I hope you guys enjoyed this live. Like and subscribe. Turn the notification on, like that you get notified every time I'm live. And yeah, let's do some great trades together, everyone. Ciao. Have a good day.